and create a recycler view object after public class in that only. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And create a ID for that also after set content.
After this, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And in XML file, just pass the ID also.
Ma'am, after set content only, I have to pass the
Uh,
ID.
yes, yes. You have to r.id, recycler view, find view by ID. And
Order
in that,
ID dot.
yes, in that first move to activity main.xml file.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Create that after main activity, create a ID in after tool content,
Yes,
main
ma'am.
activity.
Yeah, find view by ID. Order
No,
ID
no,
dot.
in activity XML file, first move to activity main XML file.
Yes, ma'am.
There, after tool contains main activity, there create one ID.
Here.
Last line, it will be okay. You can create anywhere. Yeah. Just create ID, Android ID, yes. Which ID? What typing? Recycle.
Recycle,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, okay. No issue. Why the error
Yes.
is coming? Just change the name. What is
Okay.
predefined?
We have it asks that we have to provide feedback for it.
What's the? Just change the name. It will be better. And pass first write at the rate plus ID, and after that pass the name. Yes. Now pass the name. Just write RCS, recycle. Just type recycle better. Short.
Does it fine, ma'am? Because normally it doesn't show any error.
Yes. 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 Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Shall I move
pass
it?
that I. Yes, in main activity. Wait, wait, wait. What is match parent? Width is match. Width is match parent and height is wrap content. Okay, no issue. Main activity now.
Yes, ma'am.
Pass this that I. That is rank. Yes. Now
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
semicolon. Okay, enter. Click enter. Now we have to create a layout. Set layout manager. Recycler view object. First write recycler view dot dot
Dot.
set layout manager. In that, pass the new keyword. We are creating the object in that only. New.
New.
Yes, new. For to create any object, we use the keyword new.
Yes, ma'am.
Layout manager space.
Ma'am, new layout manager.
Yes, linear manager. Yeah, layout manager. What option? Capital L.
Linear layout manager.
Yes. Now pass the this function.
What,
This.
ma'am?
This
This.
keyword. Pass. Yes. This keyword. THIS. Yes. We have created a recycler view and we have passed the ID, and we have also created the set layout manager. Now we have to create one. We have created our. Okay. Now create one layout. Open the rest folder on left side.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Yes. In that layout, right click layout,
Yes, ma'am.
create new layout resource file. Second option.
File name, ma'am.
Type
Editor.
my adapter. My adapter. Yes, my adapter. Okay. Just put the. Oh, it's okay. ठीक है. We generally use first word as a capital
Okay,
letter
ma'am.
as a format. Now in this
Yes, ma'am.
layout, move to XML file. XML file. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Code part or design part, ma'am?
Yes. In that, what we have to create a move in the code part. It is
Yes,
already
ma'am.
created. Uh, Code part. Just drag of the text view. Just okay. You can create here also. Yes. Now move to code part.
Yes, ma'am.
Um, Type in text view. Create a text. Something you have created no text.
Yes, ma'am.
Change the width to match parent
Match pad. Okay.
width. Yes, because it will take otherwise it will take whole area, whole screen. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
And in XML also, change the give the specific height on layout height above fifth line. That is match parent, no? Fifth line.
Yes, ma'am.
Android session. Yes, constraint. Change to 100
100 DP.
dp. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Change the ID from text view to T1 because we will create a variable in Java folder.
Okay, ma'am.
T1. Just give the text size also.
Does it time for 10 dB, ma'am? 20 dB.
Text size you can give any 20 dp will be okay. 20 30
Yes.
anyway.
Yes, ma'am.
Now move to my adapter file.
I
XML
think we
file.
have an error here in text view.
Open the error. What is showing? Feedback warning. Provide. Closing tag is not there, I think. That's why.
It is closed, ma'am.
Click on Alt Enter. Click on red bulb. Yes.
Provide feedback on this warning or remove tag,
Overview
rearrange.
the tag. Rearrange the tag attribute. Just rearrange.
Now also it came, ma'am.
Just clear the text you can create once again. No. Clear that. Or you can remove the obsolete X and Y that layout editor. Just remove that, it will be okay.
Where, ma'am?
Type text view. First type text view. Yes. Remove the layout edit, last two line. Yes, about that.
Yes, ma'am. But now also there will be an error.
Open that. Provide the feedback warning. First option. Cancel. Why issue is coming in text view?
I don't know, ma'am.
Clear the text view. Just
The
clear.
whole, the whole part.
Whole. Yes. Create once again. Now. It automatically gives. Yes. Give the with as match parent.
Height, ma'am.
Hide wrap content. Give the text ID.
Ma'am.
Because you have not closed. Greater than sign. Put greater than sign.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Put greater than sign. Just don't put the forward slash. And after greater than sign, again put one less than sign and greater than sign. Just put less than sign,
Yes, ma'am.
forward slash, and text yes. Now clear. Why the issue is coming now also?
Now also it have the same remove tag override resource in other configuration.
No. Ignore tool. Second option. What is there? Suppress.
Suppress add tools ignore missing constraints attribute.
Okay. Put that option.
Yes, ma'am. I think now it is clear.
Clear.
Yes, ma'am. The error is gone. No
Because
error.
your screen is not visible. Because it is. Yes. Now okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
put the text ID. Yes, fast. T1, just type
Yes, ma'am.
T1. Yes.
Then text.
Yes, plain text. Just type plain text. Something. Demo, my demo. You can write any.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
give the text size for it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now move to my adapter file.
My adapter.
Yes, adapter.
Ma'am, we are in my adapter only. We give the text view.
Okay, now move to Java 2 file. Java 2
Java
file,
2.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In that, we have to create the class, right? First, I
Yes.
public Java 2, extend that class with recycler view.adapter. Recycler view. Put dot adapter. Okay. Now
Okay,
put the
there's
greater
some
than
error.
and less than sign.
Where,
Yes.
ma'am?
Put first after adapter. Put the greater. Yes. Next to that, put the greater and less than sign. Yes. That
Yes, ma'am.
write Java 2 class dot
dot. Yes, ma'am.
Folder.
Holder.
Folder. Yes. Type where we have to create that class also. Okay. Now next thing is after that curly braces. In curly braces.
Ma'am, I think the holder is not available.
Yes, yes, we will create next. Okay,
Yes,
cancel
ma'am.
that thing. Okay, after curly braces, let it be there only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now create a class, name, type class. We have to create a class, type class,
Yes, ma'am.
holder. We are creating a class name as a holder.
Yes, ma'am.
Extend, view holder. View holder.
Yes, ma'am. View holder.
Yes, click on red bulb.
Yes, ma'am.
Second line. Yes,
Create constructor.
yes, yes. Okay, we have created a constructor named class holder. Okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
click on public class red bulb.
Here. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, implement that method.
Yes, ma'am. Should I give okay here?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now after Java 2, wait, or I schemed notations. Okay, after Java 2 class, after adapter,
After
on
adapter. Yes, ma'am.
above, yes. Type that dot holder.
Yes.
Uh, okay, okay. You can just clear out the three methods which we have created once again. On create, on bind, on item count. Just clear that part. After that, after non-null is written, clear that whole part, item count. What which the three implement that clear out
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
for once again. Just just cut the three methods: on create, on bind view, and get item count.
Yes, ma'am. I cleared it.
Oh, oh, one. On bulk. Hello, sir. My
Where,
voice
ma'am?
coming? Now click on get bulk and implement methods.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, implement.
Should I click OK here?
Yes, yes. Okay, now remove the null and all that. We have to just want a Java to holder and remove before that part. Annotations and JetBrains not null part from all three.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, red part, remove that before that full.
This all one.
Yes,
In all these three, ma'am.
yes, yes.
This also.
Now move to on create method. Oh, oh yes,
Ma'am, this also I have to
yes,
remove. Yes, ma'am.
yes, sir. Okay, now clear. Okay, after that, what we have to
Yes,
create
ma'am.
in holder class, last part. Just create a text view variable after view holder
Uh,
at 27th line. Yes, class holder extends recycler view dot view holder.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. After curly braces, click enter
Yes, ma'am.
and create their text view T capital and write TV short form better TV. Yes, create put the semicolon. After super view,
Yes, ma'am.
pass the ID for that. After super interview, TV
Yes, ma'am.
equals to
Fine, you may.
put the round bracket, find view, okay,
What, ma'am?
type by ID, item view dot find view by ID. Before creating a
Fine.
variable, before find view, yes, fine. Because it was lagging, that's why, sir. R dot,
Yes, ma'am.
pass the ID, R dot T1, yes, put the semicolon.
In the next line, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
My adapter above class first, that is Java to class. Above in Java to class, create a string. Above,
Here. Yes, ma'am.
yes, in starting, yes. Put string, space, data, and put the square brackets and put the semicolon.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just put the semicolon, yes. create create a constructor for that. Alt 10, no? Alt.
What, ma'am? Ma'am?
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Alt plus insert.
Yes, ma'am. What
Just click on
should I do?
Alt plus insert and
Alt
for
plus.
it. The of string. Sir, yes, Alt plus
Yes, ma'am. Constructor.
insert. Create a constructor. Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Data string.
Yes. Now, in onCreateView method,
Yes, ma'am.
in onCreateView method, we have to create an inflator. Just or click enter after before return null. Before return. Yes. Now put a layout inflator. Capital L. Layout inflator equals to space inflator. You have to create an object of that equals to layout inflator dot from parent dot get context. Get context.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, put the semicolon and clear and come to next line. View capital V. Now we have to create a view for that. View
Ma'am.
create a object small v in view same in small v
Yes, ma'am.
equals to inflator sir, your screen is freeze actually. I am unable to see.
Oh, one second.
Hello sir, where are you? Yes.
Yeah, that's it. Fine now.
Yes, view equals to inflator dot inflate
Yes, ma'am.
dot inflate yes in that r dot layout
Yes, ma'am.
and the layout which we have created. What is the layout name? My adapter.
Dot my adapter.
Dot my adapter, comma,
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
that one, comma, parent, comma, false. Yes. Now in return, remove the null, new, type new, folder, space, folder, the class which we have created down, and view,
Yes.
the object we have created. Put the semicolon.
Yes, ma'am.
Now on bind view. Come to on bind view. Holder.
Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
next. In that type holder dot tv, the object we have created for text view dot set text.
Yes, ma'am.
Put type data
Yes, ma'am.
and in square bracket put right position.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now in item dot count. Come to item dot count. From return 0. No, in return 0 only.
Yes, ma'am.
Type data dot length. Return data dot length. Data dot length. Yes. Now come to main activity file.
Java
Main,
file.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Java file. Now after this function, create a string. Yes, come to next line. Create a string. Type string.
Yes, ma'am.
Str. Open the square bracket. Yes. After that equals to, come outside the square bracket, space equal to, open the curly braces, yes, in double quotes, print the items, item 1, item 2, just copy one and print that only, just copy paste the thing, it will be fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, put the semicolon. Yes, come click enter.
Yes, ma'am.
Type recycler view object, yes, dot set adapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, in create, in that new adapter, new my adapter, it will become with, because we have created that class.
My adapter. My adapter doesn't came, ma'am. This
Give the
comes
space
list.
after that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, put the Java 2 class, new adapter
Yes, ma'am.
Java 2, and input print str, string object, str.
STR. Yes, ma'am.
Put the semicolon.
Yes, ma'am.
Now any error?
No error, ma'am.
Have you put the semicolon? No? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, run the code. આવું થઈ ગયું 2 મિનિટ થઈ ગઈ. Any doubts till now here? Hello.
No, no, no. Ma'am,
Yes. See. It's scrollable? Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Have you understood how to create this recycler?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Why we have to create the my adapter here? That's my doubt now.
Because in recycler view, the class itself is a adapter. Through that only we can create a scrollable list. It is a simplest and easiest way to create. If it is here, if here it is a less count. If there are more counts and code is lengthy, it will be easier to code in this recycler view. If we
Okay,
have to
ma'am.
create a list, we have to give the option where we can select through using recycler view. We can create this in
What is the
proper
difference
format.
between what is the difference between list view and the recycle view, ma'am?
Okay. What is recycler view? What is recycler view? Do you know?
Recycle view, it shows the, how I can say, it shows the elements in an order like list.
Do you know recycler?
Ma'am? Hello, ma'am, you are not audible now. Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're in mute, ma'am.
Hello. Now my voice is coming.
Yes, ma'am, now it is
Yes.
clear.
Now repeat what you are saying. Sorry.
Ma'am, it is in that there are many views.
What is actually recycler view? Recycler view is we have to create a scrollable list. In list view also we
Yes,
create a
ma'am.
list. But what is the difference in this? In list, generally in linear layouts, what actually means we have to create a one view. Like contact one is for contact one we have to create one view. For contact two we have to create another view. In a list it increases the views and there is a wastage of memory. Why? Because here in a emulator how many items are visible? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, only 8 items are visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If I have 500 items in my list, what about the other items? it is wastage of view in that. And what recycler does? Recycler saves the views. It only creates the views how much it is presented in the screen, or how much views can be displayed in a screen. Here it is 8 views. For that only 8 recycler, only 8 views only is created.
Okay, ma'am.
And we have lots of emails. We see in emails there are many, in one view there is many things, that is image, text content, text view. This we have created a list. We can add the image in this also. Using a image view, we can add the image in this list also.
Okay, ma'am. Instead of a string, we can include a list.
Yes, include a list, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In recycler view, if the one view is, if you scroll down, what that above item will be get recycled.
Yes, ma'am.
And it sets the data for the next content. If the item view from the it goes screen above, then it moves down to the screen. If you scroll down, it display the list again, and it goes on. It is like a circular cycle. It goes on and on and on. It depends on our screen, display screen, and it says the view how much it can be displayed on a screen. It depends on every screen, mobile screen, laptop screen, which we use.
Yes, ma'am.
In normal list, it is a lengthy method to create every view. That's why a recycler view, it is a advanced method. We can say that, because we have
Okay.
created a list. Because we have created a list in recycler view, and we have created a same list using the list view also.
Okay, ma'am.
Actually, in list view there is a limited screen, and recycler view we can change the content as per our size.
What, ma'am?
Any doubt? Actually, what I'm saying that in recycler view, you can show a lot of items. If you want many items, you can show that item. Number is dynamic, not it is not dynamic means it is not static. It means if it is more than 500 in recycler view, we can create that. But it is in list view, there is a limited amount list we can create.
Okay, ma'am.
Now understood? Any doubts in this?
Clear,
Should I
ma'am.
explain again? Now what we will do, we will create one short. Okay, in this also I will explain that. Okay, how we can create a handle click on view. Move to Java 2 class.
Yes, ma'am.
We have what I'm telling you, that we have created the list, right? Open the emulator once again. Just
Yes, ma'am.
yes. If I click on item 1, any text view, that is, if I click on item view, it should display me that it is item 1. That is, we are handling the click in text view that I am showing now. Okay, it is a short in that only. Open Java 2
Okay.
folder. In that we have to on bind view holder we will do on click handle. There are two methods we can handle the click. One is in on bind view, and another is in inner class. That is inner class which we have created downward side, holder class.
Yes, ma'am.
We are first I will show in on bind view method, first method.
Okay. On bind view.
Yes. Click enter.
Yes, ma'am.
Just type holder, the class which we have created a constructor down dot item view dot set on click listener. For for if you have to handle any click option, we use set on click listener. Okay, in bracket new, we have to create an object new view set on click listener. First option.
Yes, ma'am.
Click enter.
Yes, ma'am.
On click view, what we will do? We will create a method that is toast. Create toast. Yes, toast. T capital. T capital will become T O A.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, click enter. Equals dot
Dot.
make text. Yes, click enter. What we will pass here? Context. Type context.
Context.
Comma.
Comma.
Txt
Txt
equals to
equals
list
to
list dot get
list.
position. Okay, we have to write TV.
Context dot tv
No,
equal
context
to.
comma TV equals to.
Yes,
Why
ma'am.
error is coming? List dot
Context dot tv equal to list dot list dot.
get G capital.
Yes, ma'am. It doesn't come. I think it has an error in context itself.
Get get because you have not put the semicolon outside. That's why. Get in bracket. Open the function. After get, open the round bracket. Yes, right position.
Yes, ma'am.
Now click
Ma'am,
enter because we have not created the context variable.
okay, ma'am.
After string above, create this context txt.
Here,
Yes.
context.
Yes. Type small context.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And create that constructor for that also. Alt insert. Put the semicolon. Alt. Yes. No.
Context.
Data string. Only context. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. But we have error here too. Shall I make it small? Context.
Yes. but it is coming in list. What is a variable which we have created? TV, no? For text.
Text view we have
Yes.
passed TV only, ma'am. I think it is here T1.
Type txt, just type txt dot equals to. Okay, we have to write text view. We have created above, no, text view. Just type text view. T, just type T. No, no, in small. We have to create an object for that. We are taking an object.
Oh, ma'am, text
Just
view
type
is not.
txt. Just remove the view part. Remove view. Okay. Now click on red bulb. What actually error is coming? Let's see. Okay, create a variable txt. Okay, create the variable because we have not created a variable. Okay, now list.
Yes, ma'am. For the list, it shows
No
some
error.
errors. List for the list also we have some error, ma'am.
Capital L will become for list. Now remove that once again and put that position get position. It gives you option only. Just type get
Off
list.
get.
Yes, it okay. Put enter, click enter. Okay, position. Remove off. No, no, wrong. Is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Remove just off. Off and function. Yes, that part. Now error is coming. See,
In the get part, we have error, ma'am.
actually G is capital. List dot get. See red
Now,
bulb. Click on red bulb.
yes, ma'am. Rename
Remove.
reference.
Rename. Just rename what actually is coming in rename. Yes. Click enter.
No, ma'am, it is not resolved it.
Okay. Wait. Wait. Now come to next line. We will come next line after semicolon in that only.
Yes, ma'am.
Type those. Type
What, ma'am?
toast
Toast
dot length short.
length.
Short function is there. Short length short.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Dot show.
Show is not available, ma'am.
Okay. Now remove the semicolon from above and round bracket. Yes. Remove that. One
Yes,
more,
ma'am.
remove that. Remove that also. Round bracket. Yes. And toast part is there. No. Continue or take that part. Second line part. Which we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
written no line short. Toast dot short length. After position put dot and continue that line. Just backspace. No, they're not. Take that line above with position. Put dot. Yes, put dot before that. Yes. Put dot, yes. After short, put the show. Yes, put show, SHO. Open the function. Yes, and close that function once again. Close.
Ma'am, I
Do
had closed.
the round bracket once again.
I think I had closed here.
Okay, okay, no issue.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now coming error.
The get position is getting error.
Okay. Cancel that and type put list no option. Small g is also not coming. Forget.
Yes, ma'am.
We have created object text.
Hmm. I think we didn't create that.
What? It is right. All thing is right. Wait, once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will repeat that line once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Toast dot make text bracket
Yes,
comma list dot get position.
ma'am. We have
Remove that
put
txt.
text equal to.
Okay, remove txt. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it possible?
Ma'am, get is again the error. Get is error, ma'am. Context dot comma list dot
Why
get.
it is coming error there? Put the small g if possible. It is coming then also. Put small g.
Yes, it's right.
Click on red bulb.
Introduce local variable
Local variable. Yes, yes.
small toast.
Okay, now. Okay, no issue. Yes, yes. Proper. Just run the code.
Ma'am, it's error. The get is error.
Now also getting error in get.
Yes, ma'am. The curly underline comes.
What? Open that. Declaration of get mirror. Contract of get.
This one, ma'am. Edit method
Clear
contract.
that line. First clear that line. Actually, I am also getting confused. Just clear that line. Once again on bind view method.
Yes, ma'am.
Create that remove that on click view also. Yes. Remove that whole part. Public class. Yes. Remove that. And comment that about to line.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, ma'am, I have a
Yes.
power issue, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, please, so can I leave that class, ma'am?
Okay. No issue.
Okay, ma'am, thank you, ma'am. That's why I'm leave. Just
Okay. Okay. Okay.
th- thank you, ma'am.
Sir. Oh, yes. Sabrishwaram sir,
Yes,
do
ma'am.
we have to comment that only one line? No, remove
Ma'am,
that from curly braces. Yes, that part. Don't comment that part.
ma'am, it is the curly braces of on-click listener only. I think so.
Okay, okay. Data position also. Holder dot t dot set text. No, comment that also.
Yes, ma'am.
Above line. Yes. Now, after commenting, come to next line.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just type toast.
Toast.
It is coming issue or error. Just put Control Z once again. Just uncomment that all. We are correct, but
Ma'am, there is
just
no
do
error
Control.
as of now.
Just yes, just Control Z. Okay, but we have to create. We have to print that in a class only, no. Otherwise, how it will get display? Control Z. Yes, put type Control Z. It will display that line also, toast line.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. After holder dot text view, str, which we have created, holder dot text.
Yes, ma'am.
Click enter. After that
Here.
line, no, yes, that line. Position, hold position.
Yes, ma'am.
Type holder dot text view, no, holder dot text view set on click listener. It is there, no? Yes,
Folder
it
dot
will get.
item u dot sit on click listener.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
In that we have to write only one in, in on click last line, just toast
Yes,
type.
ma'am.
There is only error coming
Yes.
because of get function, no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, should we use a square bracket here? Forget.
What's that?
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, should we use square bracket or round bracket for the position here?
Yes, sir. Make text again. Just type once again that
Okay,
line.
ma'am.
It will get remove that error. Just cut that line, whole line. Oh, remove object text also. Remove that object text also. Just type toast dot make text. Make text. Toast dot. Don't have to create a variable. Toast dot make text. Yes. Yes, in that contact con small c small c yeah. Contact
Dot list
then comma list dot get position.
Comma, ma'am.
Yes, comma. List.
Ma'am, make sure the comma because list create error now.
What, sir?
Yeah, now also.
Just type position. It is coming on get only. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Error is getting. We have error
I
on get.
the error is getting. I only don't. I have to solve that. Okay. Let it be. Remove that only.
The get position.
Okay. I will show that. Remove that part only. I will show in tomorrow. Just I have to show one more code.
Okay,
Animation
ma'am.
part I have to show. Okay. Let it be. Remove that part only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you are visible with this. No. How to handle the ear.
Yes, ma'am.
And now create a one new project. This is recycler view topic is complete. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
In this only I have to explain one part, that is on click handle. I will explain that part in a code also. Same method is there.
Ma'am.
Animation. How we create animation.
Ma'am, what's the topic, ma'am?
Type asked what is coming.
Yeah.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yes. Design.
Ma'am,
Hello,
your
ma'am.
voice is
Hello. Yes.
Yes,
voice is
ma'am.
breaking, ma'am.
Coming.
Now it's fine, ma'am.
Okay. Now open the rest folder. Okay. Now open the rest folder.
Yes,
Open
ma'am.
rest folder. Yes. Yes. Open drawable. Layout map panel.
Yes, ma'am.
Open layout. Open layout folder. Yes, expand the layout folder.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Open layout folder.
Yes, ma'am. I had done.
Expand the layout folder, sir.
Yes, ma'am. I had done. I think my screen is please. Now it's visible, ma'am.
Yes. No. Actually, screen is free.
Bro, you have a network issue, bro.
Okay.
Right click on layout option. layout folder.
Yes, ma'am. New.
Yes, new. Actually, it's not visible for me.
I think.
We have to create animation folder. Click on layout resource file.
Ma'am, in the new, what we have to select? Does my screen visible, ma'am? Ma'am? Hello?
Bro, ma'am, have a network issue.
Okay, bro.
Bro, what's the tapping, bro?
Uh, we have completed the recycle view. I think we have now go with animation.
It is animation.
Yes, bro. I think it is animation only.
Okay, bro.
Hello,
Bro, I
ma'am.
have a network issue, bro.
Me too
Sorry,
have.
and power issue. Power issue, bro. Every
Okay, bro.
day rain is coming, bro.
Okay, bro.
That's why there is some issues in power
Oh, okay.
every day.
Hello.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes, no.
Open the rest folder. Expand that
Yes,
rest
ma'am.
folder.
Expand it.
Right click on rest folder.
Yes, ma'am.
Create new Android resource file directory. Android resource directory.
Yes, ma'am.
Type animation. Yes. Create a file. Okay. Okay, we have created an animation file.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right click on animation XML file.
Yes, ma'am.
Create new
Yes, ma'am.
resource file.
Values resource file.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, Type slide right. SLID right.
Yes, ma'am.
Underscore right.
Slide.
Right. Underscore right. If we have to shift the right side, any content or the text view or the image, which it displays from right side, we have to create the animation. Right click OK.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, tomorrow you are available.
Yes, ma'am. We are
Yes,
available.
ma'am.
At what time?
Ma'am, I have a ma'am in the morning and afternoon, ma'am. If possible,
Just give me the common time so that we can
ma'am, if
just
possible,
attend the session of 1 hour.
after 4 o'clock, ma'am.
For me, it is possible. Others tell me.
Ma'am,
Bro,
I am available for the whole day. It's not a problem for me.
bro, 4 is okay.
Yeah, it's okay, bro.
Because it already 9:30 session we have taken 1.5 hour session
Yes,
because
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
just it is half an hour session is pending.
Ma'am, 4:30 fix,
Hello.
ma'am. Ma'am,
So it will be okay with 4?
4.
No, yeah, only half an hour 45 minutes.
Yeah,
Not
ma'am,
more than
4:30. Okay, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
11, 1, 2.
Hello, ma'am. I have a 10 to 12
Hello.
ma'am.
Yes.
Means 12:30.
Ma'am, 4:30 is fine, ma'am.
Okay. We will take the session tomorrow at 4:30.
Oh, okay.
Just I will complete this. It
Okay,
is
ma'am.
just
Okay,
an
ma'am.
animation.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
My voice is coming.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. I have to just
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
do
ma'am.
the
Yes, ma'am.
animation part. It is just a short part. It will be completed. Okay. Okay. So we will meet tomorrow at 4:30, and I will complete this animation part. Okay. Tomorrow.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Any doubts till now? Or any you want any session, you want revision or something? Any topic which you do not understood or do not want any topic?
I
No,
think
ma'am.
it is fine right now, ma'am.
My voice is clear?
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
Hello.
ma'am. Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Do you want any topics or any doubt session? That. So let me know the topic. I will explain that once again if you want. Till now. Any topic you want to explain me once again or you want anything to repeat
Ma'am, we
No, ma'am.
understood.
or understood till now, till this session?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Understood.
Okay. So we will meet tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
another person is also
Yes. Pavitra ma'am?
there.
Hello. Pavitra ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
You want any doubts, any topic to repeat once again or any doubts you have till now? Any topic?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. It's clear, ma'am.
Have you understood till today's topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow are you available at 4:30 p.m.? Just I want half an hour
Yes,
session.
Yes, ma'am. I'm free at the time, ma'am.
Okay, okay. We will meet at 4:30, okay? Tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. We will end the session.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hello, Archita ma'am. Hello. Hello, Archita ma'am. Hello, Archita ma'am.